How to fix ChatGPT unable to upload file. So let's get started. First of all, simply let's start with checking the internet connection. Make sure that you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Then once done so, all you have to do is open the App Store on your mobile device. Once inside App Store, tap on the search address bar and search for the ChatGPT and hit enter. Then simply tap on the ChatGPT from the list, and if you see update option available, simply tap on the update and update it to the latest version. Then now, once updated, all you have to do is open ChatGPT and simply try uploading the file again. And if it still says unable, then all you have to do is go back to the home screen and simply tap on the settings option available there. Then once inside the settings, scroll down and tap on the general option available in there. Then inside general, again scroll down and tap on the iPhone storage. Then from the list of apps, tap on the ChatGPT. Then all you have to do is tap on the offload app option available inside the ChatGPT and reinstall the ChatGPT app. And so that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.